can I get my case dismissed because they put my name wrong? I'm Appellate Attorney James Wirth. That's the question that we have. We actually get this one from time to time. Most recently, we got it on a scenario where the person was charged, but it doesn't say like junior and senior, or maybe it says junior when it should have been senior, or vice versa. So it's their name, but the suffix is incorrect. And the question is, since they put the name down wrong, it appears they're charging my dad or my son instead of me. Is that grounds to get it dismissed? And the answer is no, it is not. Just like in a civil case, if you don't know who you're suing, you can put it in as John Doe. You can do discovery to find out who it is later, and then you can amend. This is a problem that needs to be fixed in the case, but it is one that the state or the prosecutor can fix without the potential for a dismissal. So if your name is incorrect and looks like they're charging somebody else, they issue a warrant for somebody else, well, in that case, there are some defenses. If it goes on for a long period of time, you were not advised of the case, you certainly weren't arrested, you may have speedy trial rights violations if they try to address it later. But if you are arrested, they bring you in, you know about the case, and you know that the name is wrong, at the arraignment, normally that would be the opportunity to correct the record, to make sure that the name is correct. But in the instance, it's not going to be ground for it to be dismissed. If you raise it as an issue, then the prosecutor just amends it. The judge is going to allow him to amend it. There's even a case, recently we talked about in another video where the case, and I completely disagree with this, but the judge in that case allowed certain amendments of the information in the middle of trial. So certainly at the beginning of the case, it is not difficult for the state to get an amendment to the information. So putting the name down incorrectly, if it causes them not to push the case forward because they can't find you because they're looking for the wrong person, that potentially could be a defense. But if they've got you, you know the issue, it's simple for them to amend it. They're not going to get a dismissal on those grounds. If you are dealing with a criminal case in the state of Oklahoma, there may be other defenses that you have. Certainly, there are a lot of technical issues where rights are involved. We want to make sure that the state is protecting everyone's rights. But in order to find out what's best for your case, you're going to want to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially about your circumstances. To get that scheduled with somebody at my office, and go online to makelaweasy.com.